Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by backing up essentials and ensuring the phone has at least 20% battery and Wi-Fi. Once done, unlock the device and go straight to settings. You want home screen and wallpaper or the themes app depending on your FunTouch version. Make sure you know your Vivo account sign in for later. Now locate the active theme preview. This is where you begin reversing the theme. Pause here only to confirm backup and account access before moving to theme controls. You select the stock or default theme and apply it. This immediately restores core visuals. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Themes or Theme Store, tap Storage, then Clear Data and Clear Cache to remove custom resources. Once cleared, force stop the app. If you can uninstall updates, do that to revert to Factory Theme Manager. Make sure to reboot after clearing so system resources reload. These steps remove active theme assets and reduce reapplication risk. You now remove residual files. Open File Manager and delete theme packages under /themes and any folders in /android/data related to the theme store. Once removed, disable or uninstall the theme store app if allowed, then reboot to finalize changes. If the theme persists, consider a factory reset only after confirming your backup. That clears system-level overrides. Troubleshooting tip: if the UI still shows custom elements, sign out of your
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.